I'm attending my friend's wedding. So, ako lang muna yung first. Kasi yung schedule nila is 2 p.m. Pero, I'm here like 11 in the morning. So, this is the church. And I check it out. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng decoration nila. I think it's very expensive. I think $500,000 yung ano nila. Ang kanilang budget ng wedding. And it's here in Malaybalay, Bukidnon. Nice. It's a nice decor. Open lang.
Now let us all welcome our maid choir. Leora, Diana, Brad, and
Dili na yung matanong.
Maria Nestle. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
One special thing, one special person to be with me, and celebrate patiently. So all through the years, all through the struggles and the peace, and finally say, yeah, today I will answer all your prayers. You're the one I'm waiting for.
Ay, wait sa ma'am, sir. Pagkalis sa sir, tabunin sa dito, sir. Alright, ma'am, right? Ma'am, right? Ano na kasi unit kasi ilang ma'am? Okay, the walk like, mas slowly, ma'am, sir. Go, ma'am, sir.
Being with you has always been a blessing. In you, I found my safe place. Looking back sa atong pagkauyab, grabe dyan ang atong naagihan. Kung isa-isa ko lang bitaw ang dun sa atong pag-overcome. For 3 years, and look at us now today. Today is a living testimony of God's love and faithfulness to us that we gain victory in Him. In those years when I met you, it was a journey of growth. It was a journey of healing and acceptance. And most of all, full of surrender. And during our LDR, God helped us mature into individuals, shaping us and become the best versions of ourselves. Babe, I hope you always remember how important you were to me, and how thankful I am to have someone as special as you in my life. You are my evidence that God listens, and you are a proof of God's love for me. You point me towards Christ in times of confusion, motivate me, and fight for me in times of difficulty. Wherever God would put us, I will pray that our marriage will become a blessing not only for the both of us but for everyone. I hope we will reflect God's love in our marriage. I love when Ruth says in Ruth 1:26, she said, "Where you go, I will go, and where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God will be mine." Finally, and they are no more. Rinaldo Tulo, on this day, I make this vow to you, to cherish you all the days of my life, to be the helpmate that you need. I will support you even say no fishing, to walking beside you even every seasons of our lives, to understand your feelings and cherish your opinions. Ikaw lang po mag-isip. To be with you in sickness and in health. I will pray with you and honor you as my husband all the days of my life. Today, babe, isn't just the start of our love, but it is a public witness of what heaven already did. Indeed, God writes the most beautiful love story, and I'm glad He wrote ours.
Ladies and gentlemen, nagsuot o may gala, nagtutugog kung may naila kaninyong tanan. Ang bakong pinasal, sila si
And these are relatives of the bride po sa mother's side lang po. And
This is the venue, guys. Ang ganda na. Venue nila sa hotel. It's a nice place. So, let's see what's inside. And they still have Victorial while waiting for the program. Victorial muna sila inside. Oh, it's nice. Hindi muna kami pumasok kasi nag-Victorial muna sila.
Look at your moments here. Heads closer.